very serious question. I want to understand why when Jamaicans are speaking, right, they like to like just randomly put on a Jamaican accent. But then it's like us Haitians, we don't do that. But it's like I'm about to put on my Haitian accent because every time I'm talking to this girl, she always want to put on her Jamaican accent. What the fuck is that? Like, speak English,
How are you upset, how? When I'm talking about my roots, I forgot I'm a roots. But if I tell you on the one, tell you in my accent. What do you mean? The
Bitch, I'm just waiting for the bus. Cause what the fuck is you talking about, dumbass bitch? Speak English.
I am speaking English.
What the fuck? Yeah, I'm sick of this. I need a new friend. Anybody speak English?
Girl, please.
How would you say what is going on in Jamaican slang?
Wagwan.
Okay, in Barbados we say what going on.
Or in my country, you say, what going on? What going on, BT?
Okay, how would you say I'll see you later?
See you later.
We can link later. Okay, how would you say come here?
Come here.
We say come on.
Come here, boy.
How would you say what's happening?
What?
We say what happened. Oh, okay. How would you say go away?
Go away.
We say galon.
Move
Okay.
on, go away.
How would you say I'm not doing that?
Man, I do that.
I ain't doing that. How would you say I don't care?
Man, I care.
I ain't care. Okay, how would you say stop looking at me?
Where I look for me for?
I would say stop watch me. Okay, how would you say nosy?
You're passing?
I would say you're gypsy. Okay.
All right, say mosquito.
Mosquito.
Say baby.
Baby.
Say bottle.
Buckle.
Say forehead.
Foreign.
Say water.
Water.
Say Caribbean.
Caribbean.
Say foreign.
Foreign.
Say firstly.
Firstly.
Say certificate.
Certificate.
Say children.
Pickety.
Say cucumber.
Cucumber.
Say bathroom.
Bathroom.
Say dog.
Dog.
Say it again.
Dog.
Say carrot.
Carrot.
Say comfortable.
Comfortable.
Say certificate again.
Certificate.
Say certificate again.
Certificate.